you know, you already are a very positive, happy person, but any daily habit that really helped you to probably to sail through those difficult days?
I think
If
gratitude towards everything, yes. Gratitude towards everything really helps in life, and you know, just have gratitude in life. Just feel that you're blessed to wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whatever is happening in your life. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, जो नहीं होता वो भी आपके अच्छे के लिए होता है.
And since it was an IVF pregnancy for you, did you feel that you had gained more weight?
No, I didn't gain any weight, but during my IVF process, yes, I gained weight. थोड़ा 5-6 किलो ऊपर नीचे तो होता है when you go for your egg retrieval and all that. तभी थोड़ा आपका weight में होता है, but otherwise during my pregnancy मैंने बिल्कुल weight put on नहीं किया.
Hi everyone. So today we have the incredible Mahi Vij with us. She's not only an incredible actor, but also an inspiring mother. Her path to motherhood wasn't easy. It was a path filled with vulnerability, resilience and strength. So let's dive deep and understand that what this roller coaster motherhood journey was like for her. Welcome Mahi. Welcome to Prega Talks. Today we're going to talk about pregnancy, its joy, the loss and the strength. So Mahi, we know that when you initially conceived, you had conceived with twins. And then what happened? Can you just tell us a bit about that?
So IVF, you know, when you do IVF, the chances of triplets and twins, you know, there's always a chance that you get pregnant with twins and triplets. So I was pregnant with twins, but the other child was not growing. Like the sac was growing, everything was normal, but the baby was not growing. And Tara and the other baby was in different sacs, luckily. So doctor told me, you know, chances होते हैं कि baby खुद ही अपने को
fetal reduction.
हाँ, वो अपने
chances of fetal reduction.
Yes, वो अपने आप को खुद ही एक रास्ता ढूंढ लेता है निकलने का, या तो फिर वो दूसरे बेबी को भी लेके निकल लेता है, ऐसा होता है. So I was just praying कि you know, but when I got to know कि the second baby on its own has taken its way out, you know, so I was kind of happy because nobody wants कि आपका बच्चा किसी चीज़ से गुजरे जब पैदा हो, या you know कोई लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो, या फिर दूसरे बच्चे को भी प्रॉब्लम हो. एंड यू नो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि जब मैं तारा वॉज इन NICU बिकॉज शी वॉज 30 वीक, तो वहाँ पर सब लड़कियाँ थी और एक लड़का था. तो डॉक्टर मुझे ये बोलता था कि लड़कियाँ ना 1 महीने में 1 महीने में बाहर आ जाती हैं निको से, और लड़के 2-2 महीने लेते हैं. यू नो दे आर, यू नो, लड़कियाँ फाइटर्स होती हैं एंड दे लाइक क्या. तो वहाँ मुझे एक चीज़ लगी कि यार एक तो तारा हुई, आई हैड अ डॉटर एंड आई वाज ओवरवेल्म्ड, आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी. I actually wanted a healthy child, whether boy or girl. I wanted a healthy child because first baby था. But जब भी वो twins didn't work out, it was in my favor and I was kind of happy that जो चीज़ हमारे नसीब में नहीं है वो नहीं होती है, you know, basically.
In which week did you get to know that it's going to be just one pregnancy and not 2?
2.5 months.
2.5 months. Yeah. So did you feel any emotion, because initially you were preparing yourself for twins and then you reached the point?
Feel that, you know, हो जाए एक ही बार में twins हो जाए, एक ही बार बच्चे साथ में बड़े हो जाएं. You feel that, but I was kind of, as I told you, you know, I was very happy with चलो भगवान ने एक तो हाँ, you know,
healthy pregnancy. Yes. So did it also impact, you know, somewhere your emotions attached to the pregnancy, where you said that, well, they were twins and now it's just one baby? Do you think that it had an impact on you when you got to know that it's just going to be one?
No, I think just for a day I felt like, you know, I wish दोनों रहते तो और अच्छा लगता, you know, twins हो जाते हैं एक टाइम पे मेरी family complete हो जाती है, and you know how we say that, you know, but it's okay. I was kind of happy that Tara was saved and Tara survived and Tara was in a good sack.
All right. And did it, like, you know, did you reach out to any support groups or anything, like, you know, maybe on the digital platform where you were trying to look for more information as to how does your pregnancy go after, you know, after there's only, I mean, there's fetal reduction and there's one baby that survived. Do you think there were any support groups that you took help from?
No, as I said, you know, you should not go and Google so much, and except your doctor, you should not go by asking people or reading a lot, or you know, because that's all half knowledge, you know. You can only get knowledge from your doctor, and you should believe and trust your doctor completely.
So you just trusted your one source of information, who was your doctor, under
Exactly.
whose guidance you
Yes.
were doing the IVF
Definitely.
and the baby. All right. So any daily habit that helped you, like, to stay positive, you already are a very positive, happy person, but any daily habit that really helped you to probably to sail through those difficult days?
I think
If any-
gratitude
Gratitude.
towards everything, yes. Gratitude towards everything really helps in life, and you know, just have gratitude in life. Just feel that you're blessed to wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whatever is happening in your life. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, जो नहीं होता वो भी आपके अच्छे के लिए होता है.
And anything that you recall your body's journey, in that period where you were, where you lost one baby during your early days of pregnancy, anything that you can recall as to how did you feel at that point in time? Any physical discomfort, anything, which you thought that was very challenging for you?
Physical discomfort, but yes, at one point of time I was little scared, because when I saw blood stains, I was little scared. I was like, oh my god, what has happened, that's when you feel your dreams are all shattered, and you were just planning things, and what is happening, you don't know till you speak to your doctor and you get an information about it, and you feel that no, everything is going fine, you need to relax your mind, and you just have to, it's all
trust
fine,
the
it's all
process.
good. Yeah.
Just trust the process and
Yes, it's all good.
stay relaxed and calm and positive as you were. So Mahi, you've been through your emotional highs and lows through your IVF journey, throughout your pregnancy. What word of advice would you like to give to women, those who are going through IVF and maybe experiencing a similar thing as you? Like you said that you conceived, twins, and then, finally you got to know that there was one baby who was doing very well and the other one was not. So do you have any advice for women who are going through something similar?
One needs to be very calm. One needs to be very patient, very calm, because you have to actually only listen to your doctor, what the doctor says. Because the doctor, from very start, from day one, the doctor is with you, and they know what is happening to your body and what they're giving to you, and how your body is reacting to it, how many cycles you've done, and why and how it didn't work. So the only person you got to trust is your doctor, and you should just be calm, composed, gratitude, pray a lot. I feel जितना हो सके गायत्री मंत्र लगाओ, I feel, और जितना हो सके spiritual हो जाओ उस time पे, तो it really helps.
And do not Google, like you said, that
Don't Google. Google is one. Google तो पर Google पे डाला तो आपको 36 बीमारियां दिख जाएंगी, आपको हैं तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कल ही मरने वाले हैं हम.
And since it was an IVF pregnancy for you, did you feel that you had gained more weight? How was your weight gain during this period?
No, I didn't gain any weight, but during my IVF process, yes, I gained weight. थोड़ा 5-6 किलो ऊपर नीचे तो होता है when you go for your egg retrieval and all that. तभी थोड़ा आपका वेट में होता है, बट अदरवाइज ड्यूरिंग माई प्रेगनेंसी मैंने बिल्कुल वेट पुट ऑन नहीं किया, बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट हॉगिंग, आई वॉज वेरी वॉचफुल टूवर्ड्स माई डाइट, बिकॉज डायबिटीज़ हो रही है आजकल, ब्लड प्रेशर हो रहा है लोगों को प्रेगनेंसी में, दो इट तभी इतना स्ट्राइक नहीं करता था. तभी तो मैं, एज आई सेड, आई वॉज नेवर थिंकिंग अबाउट ओ आई विल गेट डायबिटीज़, ओ आई विल गेट ब्लड प्रेशर, ओ आई विल गेट दिस. नहीं, इतना सोचोगे तो कुछ बीमारी आपको लगी जाएगी, बिकॉज आप वो रूम में वो चीज़ों को घुमा रहे हो, यू मैनिफेस्टिंग, सो फॉर मी इट वॉज लाइक आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग हंग्री. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था, लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अरे क्रेविंग्स होती हैं, ये खाने का मन करता है, मुझे तो क्रेविंग हुई नहीं, मुझे कुछ क्रेविंग ही नहीं हुई, थ्रू आउट माई प्रेगनेंसी. मुझे प्यूकिश फील नहीं हुआ थ्रू आउट माई प्रेगनेंसी. तो मुझे एक्चुअली लगता है प्रेग्नेंट भी हूँ, बिकॉज
I think your positive attitude and your
सब लोग मुझे बोलते थे कि यार उठती हूँ मैं बड़ा प्यूकिश फील करती हूँ, मैं तो सारा दिन कुछ खाती नहीं हूँ बिकॉज आई फील प्यूकिश, दिस हैपेंस दैट हैपेंस, आई एम वेरी क्रैंकी, आई कांट टेक दिस स्मेल, आई कांट टेक दिस एंड आई कांट. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. लाइक माई प्रेगनेंसी, आई वुड से टचवुड वॉज द मोस्ट पीसफुल वन and the most happy pregnancy.
So a good healthy lifestyle is a part of who you are as a person. You probably, whatever I've got to know of you, you maintain a very good lifestyle, you eat healthy, you eat right, but you've been a public figure. So did it make you anxious that you're going to get pregnant, you're going to gain weight, or were you just happy looking forward to it?
I mean, even if I was gaining weight, it's none of anybody's business. Yeah, I'm having a baby, I'm gaining weight. It's okay. Your body changes. You cannot have सारी जिंदगी 24 की कमर लेके. और I mean, the biggest gift, the biggest blessing you're getting in life is your child, What
to be a
more?
mother
You can't
is the
be
biggest
expecting,
blessing.
oh my God, what is happening to my body and what is happening to my to my boobs, what is happening to my, I mean, you cannot. You
body
cannot.
does
You have
change.
to be happy about the changes. You're becoming a woman.
Yeah.
You were a girl. You were becoming a woman. So you should be happy about it.
Embrace it happily.
Of course.
And you embraced it positively,
course.
happily, without gaining too much weight.
That is why I didn't gain weight, I think. That is why I didn't gain weight. That is why I am how I am, because I didn't bother about the weight or how I look or whether I will get, oh, today I'm getting dry skin. Oh my God, this is happening because I'm pregnant. Oh my God, my nails are chipping. Oh, because I'm having baby, this is happening. Oh my God, pigmentation ho raha hai bachcha. Arey, this is part of it. Enjoy everything. This is called journey. इसको ही journey बोलते हैं. आप enjoy करो हर चीज को, If nails are chipping or your hair is falling or this part of you becoming a woman, I mean, from a girl, to enjoy that journey.
So, any word of advice you would like to give to women, those who are watching us today, who are anxious about their weight gain, their skin, their, probably, like you said, that you need to embrace motherhood and take joy in it and feel happy about it. But any tip that you would like to give them here?
I know of people and there is nothing wrong. Like, they get very hassled about the weight after they deliver the baby and they get into depression. There's depression, there's postpartum, which we call. A lot of people go through all that and, the only thing which helps them get through this is their partner, I feel. मतलब आप मानोगे नहीं, मैंने ऐसी चीज़ें सुनी है postpartum के टाइम पे लोग करते हैं और होता है. It's only that your partner can help you get through that part of that phase actually. Luckily, I didn't go through it, but 80% of women go through this, and I feel ki at that point of time, one needs to stand by their wives and understand that there's lots going on with them. They're putting on weight. There is their body is not the same. They get stretch marks, when they shower, they don't feel happy seeing their body, how it was. And it's natural. I mean, there's nothing wrong in it. But I feel that the man needs to make the woman feel special in that phase of life. Because हम औरतें dependent होती हैं कि आज मैं कैसी लगती हूँ, तो validation. तो वो validation तो आदमी को ये समझना चाहिए, अगर आज ये थोड़ी भी क्रैंकी है, क्यों है, क्योंकि आप वो बिहेवियर को समझो, वो कहाँ से आ रहा है, क्यों आ रहा है, and you're the only person she is asking for help. So,
exactly.
People who are going through postpartum, help women who go through postpartum. It's a difficult phase, I feel.
So, Mahi, one more question that, now we have access to things like OVA news. So, when you were planning to conceive and when you were trying to conceive, do you think that if you had access to OVA news, it would have made a difference to your journey?
Of course, it would have saved time. If my time, OVA news kind of ovulation kit would have existed, it would have helped me. And how? Because it's easier, no? You know, okay, which days you have to try and which days you have to just settle yourself, So, yeah, it definitely helps. It still helps,
So, can you just tell us a bit more about the ovulation kit, the OVA news that we are talking about here?
See,
how does it help an individual to track their ovulation cycles?
It helps you, yes, track your ovulation cycle. It helps you track the days you are likely to get pregnant and the days you can just chill and relax and think of next month, and the days definitely it just saves time, your energy, your emotions, and a lot more things.
So, you can plan yourself better if you have access to a kit like OVA news.
OVA news.
Yeah, so it really helps you prepare better and be more sure when you have kits like OVA news. All right. Mahi, what is your take on equal parenting? Nowadays, when a couple gets pregnant, they mostly say that we are pregnant. And I'm sure that, in your podcast, you've said that Jay has been very supportive throughout. What do you have to say to couples, those who are, right now they are pregnant or they are trying to conceive, or, what are your thoughts on equal
तो
parenting?
मनीषा बहुत आता है कि इक्वल पेरेंटिंग, वी आर बिकमिंग पेरेंट, वी आर हैविंग अ बेबी, बट वो कंसिस्टेंट रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज व्हेन द बेबी इज़ 4-5, नॉर्मली क्या होता है इंडियन सोसाइटी में, आदमी बोलता है मैं काम करूँ या बच्चा संभालूँ, सो बेसिकली ये एक चीज़ मुझे समझ नहीं आती, बच्चा संभालो मतलब इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ वुमेन्स जॉब, बट आई अग्री टू वन थिंग फॉर श्योर इन लाइफ, दैट आज हम सब जो हैं, लाइक सब लोग, क्रू, बिहाइंड द कैमराज, यू मी, हम सबको आज यहाँ तक पहुँचाने वाली हमारी माँ होती है।
Exactly. Exactly.
हमारी हर चीज़ हमारी माँ से हम पिक करते हैं, जैसे हम, क्योंकि हमारे फादर्स तो काम पे चले जाते हैं, हमारी माँ होती है जो घर पे होती है, हमारी माँ हमको टाइम पे खाना, हमारी माँ हमको देखे कि हम शाम को किससे मिलते हैं, किधर जाते हैं, तो वो एक चीज़ होती है। तो माँ जो होती है ना, वो लाइफ लॉन्ग माँ और बाप का किरदार पूरा करती है, अगर देखा जाए तो।
I agree with
इवन इफ शी इज वर्किंग, तो वो कहते हैं ना डबल वर्क कर रही है, वो घर का भी शील कीप अ चेक कि बच्चे ने खाना खाया है, बच्चा किधर गया है, किससे मिल रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, व्हाट इज द चाइल्ड ईटिंग, व्हाट इज द चाइल्ड टॉकिंग, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन द चाइल्ड इज गेटिंग फ्रॉम स्कूल एंड फ्रेंड्स, हु आर द फ्रेंड्स। सो आई फील कि ज़्यादातर जो रोल होता है वो एक माँ का होता है बच्चे की लाइफ में, but yes, nowadays I feel the like if I talk about Jay, is hands-on father, like he will sit with homework. Tara is actually very very close to my husband Jay. She's very close to the fact that he knows कि कहाँ
He likes to
बैड कॉप
contribute
बनना है,
equally.
कहाँ गुड कॉप बनना है, तो वो करता है। एंड आई फील कि इक्वल पेरेंटिंग इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, बिकॉज इट कैनॉट बी लाइक आपने बच्चा पैदा किया है तो आप अपना करियर सैक्रिफाइस करिए और आप अपने बच्चे को पालिए और आप अपने बच्चे के लिए सब कुछ करिए, आप ड्राइवर भी बनिए, आप उसकी नैनी भी बनिए, आप उसकी कुक भी बनिए। नो, it doesn't work like that. If she is doing all this, then you also have to do pick up and drop. You also have to sacrifice your sleep. You also have to take care of the baby. There would be days when she's not well and the baby, you have to feed the baby. So it cannot be like, मैंने काफ़ी इंडियन मैन देखे हैं, सॉरी बट दे विल से कि हाँ ठीक है ना, बीमार है तो गोली खा और बच्चे को खाना खिला, एंड व्हाट दे डूइंग इज मैच देख रहे हैं बैठ के टांग चढ़ा के टेबल पे, या फिर दे जस्ट चिलिंग, दे गोइंग आउट विद फ्रेंड्स, दे डोंट केयर इफ द चाइल्ड इज स्लेप्ट और नॉट स्लेप्ट। और बच्चा वो सीखता है जो वो देखता है। When the child sees that the father is going to party at 10 o'clock and coming back in the morning, बच्चे सबसे ज़्यादा तेज़ होते हैं, because that's the age they adopt a lot of things, they see a lot of things and they take a lot of things, so I feel equal parenting का मतलब यही होता है कि आपको अगर चाहते हो कि अगर आपकी बीवी सैक्रिफाइस करे तो आप भी सैक्रिफाइस करो,
Exactly.
we have the power to do everything, we can be the father and the mother, at the same time, दोनों कैरेक्टर हम प्ले कर सकते हैं,
Absolutely.
बट फादर शुड प्ले फादर्स कैरेक्टर, जो फादर की ड्यूटीज होती हैं, जो फादर जस्ट नॉट जस्ट मनी, इट इज़ अबाउट बीइंग देयर, गिविंग टाइम, and it really works on the child's mental health.
I agree.
So I feel कि जैसे को पेरेंटिंग भी चालू हुआ है, जो डिवोर्स रहते हैं, जो सेपरेटेड रहते हैं, इट्स अमेजिंग द चाइल्ड डजंट फील दैट द पेरेंट्स आर सेपरेटेड और दे आर डिवोर्स्ड और they're not together, because co-parenting helps the child mindset, and it's a very good thing that in today's society people have become friends and they're doing things for their child to bring up the child in a good environment and not in a negative environment. So a lot of men understand that and a lot of men don't understand that. So yeah, there's different co-parenting at different level,
So, Mahi, what you mean to say is that equal parenting, co-parenting is not just about showing support to your wife, but it is more about the kid.
Yes,
It's about your kid's welfare, because the development of the kid is so much better if both
and
the
you have to
partners
be
are equally
consistent. You can't be like 2 saal, you can't just say my baby, our baby, this baby. I have seen 2 saal बड़ा न्यू रहता है और बड़े मजे आते हैं। Once the baby starts growing and the baby starts questioning, that's when you feel अरे यार इसको चुप कराओ, इतना रोता है, इसको कमरे में लेके जाओ, वो सब उड़ जाता है। तो That should not happen. Consistent रहना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah, so men should not only enjoy the good part of being fathers, but also take responsibility when it is needed.
Yes.
When the baby is sick, not well, or when
She's
the
out for work,
when the
she's
wife needs
traveling,
support.
yes.
Why
She
not?
also deserves a holiday. She also
Absolutely.
deserves to go out with friends.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Mahi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
That was really informative, and I'm sure that a lot of women, those who are watching you today, will get their strengths and will understand as to what it is to, you know, go through a pregnancy. Even if it is rough, you were brave, you were resilient, and you were very strong and very, very hopeful throughout.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
for
Mahi.
having me.
Thank you.